Hello guys, I'm Caio and today we are here to do the unboxing of our device, the 360 Pro. Let's do this. And here we have the main case. On the right side we can see our main device, our Prog 360. We have our VCI. On the left side, we have all the accessories. For example, we have one USB cable. We have the main cable where we connect our Prog 360 and our VCI. Inside of this bag, we have one cable to work with old dashboards from VHG Group. We have the Toyota key simulator. We have the MCU cable to work with some microprocessors. And the Mercedes-Benz key simulator to do the key programming for FBS3 systems from Mercedes. We have the cable to work with TCMs and ECUs and all the cables that we need in order to read and write the TCM or the ECU. We have two power supplies, one with 5 amps and one with 2 amps. We have as well one little power supply to charge our device. We have as well one OBD cable extensor. And we have our user manual and our packing list. And the last one, and more important, is the activation code that comes with your device. Without this, we cannot activate our device. That was the unboxing of our 360 Pro. Remember that our device is the best solution for your locksmith shop. If you want to know more, please let a comment below.